वही हमें तो मोदी बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मोदी जो है ना, वो बहुत ऑनेस्टली काम कर रहा है और वो बहुत संभाला हुआ है काम, और सारे देश को एकदम खूबसूरत बनाना चाहता है।
I'm a big one for the campaign of India Shining, and I believe that there are no surprises in terms of which party is really taking the country there.
I think like outcomes are a result of processes. So whichever candidate or party has the right processes in place, I will vote for them, and I'll also look at past record.
The population needs to become very, very aware that there will be a very subversive attempt to polarize them on the basis of multiple parameters. And as long as the population is not aware of their core national identity, there will be a tendency to be swayed by these political rhetoric, and which is ultimately going to be bad for the entire country and obviously the people who live in the country.
So this is something I see around me all the time, which is brain drain. Going to the West and countries outside India is much more of more attractive for kids even my age. I feel like this needs to be tackled really quickly, and the skill and all the talents that India holds is going out to countries that are not ours.
So for me, I think the biggest issue is probably job creation and employment job opportunities. As a young adult, I'm very aware of the need to find stable employment, and I'll be looking at each party's track records and plans in that area before deciding who to vote for.
ये चुनाव काफ़ी हद तक एक तरफा चुनाव है, और ये चुनाव जो है वो व्यक्ति विशेष के ऊपर ज़्यादा हैं। मुद्दे इसमें ख़त्म हैं, मुद्दे नज़र ही नहीं आ रहे हैं। अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो मुद्दा, अगर आप मुझसे पूछें, होना चाहिए महंगाई का, मुद्दा होना चाहिए सुशासन का, मुद्दा होना चाहिए क्राइम को लेकर। अगर मुद्दे उठाना वास्तव में विपक्ष का काम है, और विपक्ष इस समय जो है वो एकदम पंगुहीन हो रखा है। विपक्ष का काम ही नहीं कर रहा है।
I am completely disillusioned the way the politics is taken, the way they are fleecing us, and they came only for service, but now they are not doing service to the nation, they are doing service to themselves, and more corruption is taking place amongst themselves.
There should be honesty, there should be ethics, and once we have that at the top, at least something will percolate down. It's very difficult, I feel in politics it's very difficult to have honesty all across, but at least on the top it should be on there. We need honesty and ethics.
This election is important for the future of this country, for the coming generations. This is something which is which should be important to everybody, every person in this, at least in my age group. And you want to see that your children, your grandchildren, they have a very basically good way of living, and how they can manage and how they can progress in an honest system which should prevail in the country.